Samsung recently revealed its new flagship phone, the Galaxy S24, just a week ago, and it's generating a lot of interest. The S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are set to hit the market on January 31st, and before the official release, there are tests to see how they perform. Initial tests on the Galaxy S24 Ultra have raised some concerns. The camera performance isn't always consistent, and picture quality drops when zooming in beyond 10x, especially compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Ultra model also faces overheating issues during heavy use, unlike the Exynos-powered Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. However, Samsung is aware of these problems and plans to fix them with software updates. The first update is expected on January 23rd, focusing on performance and camera improvements. In a drop test, the Galaxy S24 Ultra showed mixed results. The titanium frame resisted scratches, but the screen cracked when dropped face down, although the phone still worked. The Galaxy S24 series comes with updated software, and older Galaxy devices will receive this update in the near future. There are also special luxury editions and Zodiac-themed models available. Additionally, the Galaxy S24 series introduces AI features like live translation during phone calls, chat assistance, and more. It has already set a pre-booking record in India. Samsung plans to extend some of the new Galaxy S24 series features to older devices through updates in the first half of 2024. Pre-orders come with free memory upgrades and other bonuses. People in India are eagerly anticipating these new features.